Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and mind-bending world of black holes. What exactly is a black hole? Well, let's find out. A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. The special tools can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than other stars. How big are black holes? Black holes can be big or small. Scientists think the smallest black holes are as small as just one atom. These black holes are very tiny but have the mass of a large mountain. Mass is the amount of matter, or stuff, in an object. Another kind of black hole is called stellar. Its mass can be up to 20 times more than the mass of the Sun. There may be many stellar mass black holes in Earth's galaxy. Earth's galaxy is called the Milky Way. The largest black holes are called supermassive. These black holes have masses that are more than 1 million suns together. Scientists have found proof that every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is called Sagittarius A. It has a mass equal to about 4 million suns and would fit inside a very large ball that could hold a few million Earths. How do black holes form? Scientists think the smallest black holes formed when the universe began. Stellar black holes are made when the center of a very big star falls in upon itself, or collapses. When this happens, it causes a supernova. A supernova is an exploding star that blasts part of the star into space. Scientists think supermassive black holes were made at the same time as the galaxy they are in. If black holes are black, how do scientists know they are there? A black hole cannot be seen because strong gravity pulls all of the light into the middle of the black hole. But scientists can see how the strong gravity affects the stars and gas around the black hole. Scientists can study stars to find out if they are flying around, or orbiting, a black hole. When a black hole and a star are close together, high-energy light is made. This kind of light cannot be seen with human eyes. Scientists use satellites and telescopes in space to see the high-energy light. Could a black hole destroy Earth? Black holes do not go around in space eating stars, moons and planets. Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. Even if a black hole the same mass as the Sun were to take the place of the Sun, Earth still would not fall in. The black hole would have the same gravity as the Sun. Earth and the other planets would orbit the black hole as they orbit the Sun now. The Sun will never turn into a black hole. The Sun is not a big enough star to make a black hole. How is NASA studying black holes? NASA is using satellites and telescopes that are traveling in space to learn more about black holes. These spacecraft help scientists answer questions about the universe. Host. A black hole is formed when a massive star collapses under its own gravity during a supernova explosion. The gravitational force becomes so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Cut to an animation showing the distortion of space-time around a black hole. Host. Black holes are often described as cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking in everything that comes near them. The boundary around a black hole, beyond which nothing can escape, is called the event horizon. Once something crosses the event horizon, it's gone forever. Cut to an animation showing the effects of a black hole's gravitational pull. Host. One of the most fascinating aspects of black holes is their immense gravitational pull. This gravitational force is so strong that it distorts the fabric of space-time itself, causing time to slow down near the black hole and creating a phenomenon known as time dilation. Cut to an animation showing the different types of black holes. Host. Black holes come in different sizes, ranging from stellar black holes, which are a few times more massive than our Sun, to supermassive black holes, which are millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun. Supermassive black holes are thought to exist at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Cut to an animation showing the possible fate of matter falling into a black hole. Host: when matter falls into a black hole, it doesn't simply disappear. Instead, it forms an accretion disk, a swirling disk of superheated gas and dust around the black hole. This disk emits intense radiation, making it visible to us even though the black hole itself remains invisible. Cut back to the host. Host: black holes continue to be a subject of intense study and research for scientists around the world. They hold many secrets about the nature of our universe and its most extreme phenomena. Closing scene: the host standing in front of the blackboard again. Host: that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the mysterious world of black holes. If you want to learn more about this topic or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.